had some really fun Halloween releases go live on Friday. 2 new kits. This one is called Cosmic. It comes in silver and rose gold foil. I love how this kit came out. Let me know which one is your favorite. Would you get silver or rose gold? Kits come in a mini, deluxe, and ultimate. You can go check out the website if you want more details on all of the pages. We're actually going to reformat soon, so I think I'll do a separate video on like all about our formats next time. So this one is spooky. It is in gold foil, and it's definitely more of like a classic vibe. A little classic but boho with like the rustic flowers. All the oranges with like the wood and the black watercolor. Here we have our deco. And then we did a change to the journaling kits. Previously, our journaling kits were 3 pages, like it all together, but now we're just gonna do the 2. So you get a little bit of deco, but if you like decorating with a lot of deco, I recommend picking up the full sheet, but you get a little bit here and there. Next up, we have our washi. Just a second. Our leftover washi from the pre-sale that just went live, except this one was not from the pre-sale. This specific roll is entirely new. Let me actually show you guys swatches, because they do kind of look a little bit different like on the roll, obviously. This is a very, very, very pretty like watercolor green background, but it looks a little bit darker on here. You can't really tell the watercolor like on the roll, so you can definitely tell it rolled out on the paper, and it's so beautiful. And then we have the Sakura Festival, and it was one of the best selling collections. And then we have Summer, which is seriously like one of my favorites. And then this is the new washi that was not listed in the pre-sale. Then we have that starry one. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have Kawaii, and then we have Kitty. I wasn't expecting to love the thin 5mm bow washi as much as I do, but I like fell in love with it. I think it'd be so cute to add like as a little tiny divider or a decorative piece, just like really anywhere. So I'm like obsessed with this washi.
Oh, it is a cinnamon roll.
Oh my gosh, I love egg tarts.
What? Blood orange, I've never had.
With our confit tomatoes and our paprika croutons. Is there anything else I can offer here for the table like you? You're very welcome. Maybe some fresh crackers.
Yum.
You look like you're
Who else would like some wonton? I need your thing.
And was this a different soup doubling?
So currently I am converting all of my just regular deco into like very, very large deco. Kind of like this. Let me see. Just makes journaling like super, super fun and easy with like very large deco to put in journaling pages, or even like a Hobonichi.
She will never see him stand trial. Okay, what do you want us to do with her case now?
What is this?
Middle guy, the snail, the column.
New post office run.